And top of the morning, guys. Thanks for joining. This morning, I'm up and active on a take and turn fashion. You know me already. I gotta eat the kitchen a little bit from this. Yeah, man, but I realize the fruit tree start producing again. So I'm gonna pick some ackee and take and turn fashion. Come on, yeah. Appreciate the support, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. That is it. It look like we have quite a few guys. Yeah, man. So I figure more or less I'm gonna take some for grandma and some for my auntie. Yeah, man. It's a lot. I might have to climb the tree. I didn't want it to climb, guys, but this morning it seems like I gotta have to climb. I'm gonna have to climb. Anyway, they are to Canton fashion, guys. Oh my word, guys! It look like the more I pick, the more I see. The more I pick, the more I see. Thought it was just a few guys, but there's a whole lot under the bushes. Don't know why this wire here is so soft, you know, guys. It keep on bending. No matter how I make the hook small. But guess what? We got the remedy right here. Pliers. I just might have to go in the tree now, guys. So you know that come down. We put the special skills. Alright, let's see. Going up to Jericho, guys. Going up to Jericho. Hey guys, I thought I got, well, I think I got everything. It's quite a few, man. Not a bad climb, guys. Look at that. Blessings. Anyway, you know the energy come down. I have to get cracking, so I'm gonna pick these up. Let's get something to pick them. Put them in. Put them in, guys. Put them in. This can do. Alright, let's put them in this. Alright. Alright. It seems like some of them are spoiling, but I have to give thanks, you know. Pick out the ones that are not good. Hold on. Normally I'd throw these out, guys, but well, I don't anymore. I throw them in the farm to let them deteriorate. Manure for the soil. Look at this one, guys. Mushy. Yeah, man. This one's spoiled. Another one, guys. I do appreciate the support, guys. Thanks for passing through. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, share with a friend, a family, a loved one. Hey, guys, different direction. It's a lot this morning. It's a lot. I alone can eat these now. So you know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna clean them. After cleaning them up, I'm gonna separate and bag them. So I'm gonna give my grandma some, and I'm gonna give my auntie. My auntie. One love, Auntie Janet. I wanna say happy Friday, guys. I trust that you're up and active and feeling fine. Yeah, man, this is Yard as is Jamaica Yard Life. I'm up and thankful, guys. This morning, I'd say the universe have to provide hockey. So I appreciate it. The universe have provided hockey. So let's give thanks, guys. Ants already taking over. This one's water. Appreciate the likes, guys. So this is it. Yeah, man, love and love alone. So cleaning time the next couple of seconds from now. See if I can set you all at a spot. Yeah, guys, we're gonna clean some hockey this morning. I think I'm honest, I might do it outside because it's better to do it out there, knowing that we won't mess up the place. Yeah, man. Need some time. Ah, this morning during prayer, guys, there is just this one song that it keeps ringing in my head, and I keep singing it over and over and over. It is such fun to see, such fun to see. Satan lose. Jesus is the winner man all the time. It's a powerful song. From a tender age, we've been singing it, repeating it over and over and over. But this morning, it just come right back. But anyway, I love and love alone, guys. So there, yeah, there, chuckle. Take hand on fashion. As grandma would always say. Found another one, guys. Alright, I'm gonna well, see them. I'm gonna see these out, guys. So let's see. Let me see if I can make it the process. Alright, what am I using? This one. Oh, nice. This here, this here, this here. Let's start the process, guys. Running here. Guys, you know, so I'm not to clean. They are not hard to clean at all. Clean. Easy squeezy, squeezy, or what do you call it? It's quite a few, guys, so I'm gonna get cracking. Less talking and more action, guys. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna share a part of my history with you. At one point in time, just by being here cleaning the Akis, I remember. At one point in time, I used to work at the Aki factory, guys. Well, quite a few of them, but I started out as a laborer at first. Um, my task was to wash crates, well, basically keep the factory clean and unload Akis when they come on the truck. Um, Load the racks. The racks are some big metal beds, square beds, one on top of each, and one on top of each other. And you have to load them with the throw the Aki, unload and spread them out. The factory normally buy them unopened and open. So they buy them like this, and they buy them like the green one on the tree, but the thick ones. So buy they purchase them 3 day time they open. It wasn't so bad working there. Yeah, as a young man, I believe it was a nice experience. Yeah, it wasn't easy though, you know. But grandma said if you want good, your nose have to run, don't it? So I enjoyed my time working there, guys. I was there for a couple of years, and then upgraded from a laborer to a truck driver. So normally I would be out and about or and around St. Thomas picking up Aki. Yeah, man. I want to send a special shout out to one son, Art I love that. Yeah, man. Out of sight, whenever out of mind, it uncle. Pick up yourself. Yeah, guys. What? The person I mentioned just now was one of the many elders who gave Ayman a chance. Yeah, man. My apologies if I'm a bit lost for words, guys, because, you know, remembering them moments, you have good times and you have really, really bad times. But as I said from before, I choose to sieve out the good out of the day, you know. That not means I will forget the bad. But he was the one who gave me the opportunity to, you know, upgrade, guys, and, you know, get access to maneuver in the truck. Yeah, man. So as I said, I used to drive around St. Thomas and, you know, neighboring parishes, put it like that, and pick up Akis and, you know, meet and greet with new folks, meet and greet with community members, loved ones, friends, and family. It was a nice job, but as time progressed, we had to move on and, you know, make space for the next generation. Put it like that. Yeah, man. Just to say, guys, sometimes some simple moments bring back some very, very nice energy. Well, nice memories. Yeah, man. And for me, not like, you know, thinking back on good times. They are bad times, you know, guys, real bad, but the good outweigh the bad, I'd say. Yeah, man, I love, guys. quite a few to go, guys. Quite a few. We're doing we started. Every touch is a move, guys. Get in there. reach that point, finish. Yeah, man. But these seeds, I'm gonna throw them at the back of the farm. Let me see if I can show you what's popping. Yeah, man. Because in the future, we need more fruit trees. Yeah, more and more fruit trees, guys. So I'm gonna spread these by the back so they can grow. Hopefully, more rocky trees, guys. As you can see, mango in the background. Fruits for days, guys. All right. Let's see if I can show you out. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, guys, my deal is trim up these, Yeah, man. Don't like that. How them are grow up, So I'm gonna take off all of the top of them and fix the ear, so that side of the fence need to fix. So just put that there to keep out the goats. Then now, yeah, man, can't afford for them goats come in and eat up all of the banana and plant. The star fruit, yeah, guys. Me and mom we were having dialogue about this, My mom gave me this star fruit, guys, and it's been quite some time, yeah, man, and it has come a far way, as you can see. So hopefully in the future I'm gonna make some juice for y'all, or you get fruit to eat. Come my yard, man. Hope I'm active and you know the energy go. I love and love alone, guys. And I do appreciate the support, y'all. All y'all that pop by. So I need to split this into a small fraction for me, grandma and auntie. That is it. Hey guys. Right. Finish up, clean up. Oh my. Space in the fridge is limited. It is limited. There's no way to store more food. Oh my. What am I gonna do? Alright, these tomatoes spoil, so I'm gonna set them. I'm gonna set these tomatoes, guys. Yeah guys, there is something that I want to share with you all before I go, and this is it. Oh my. Alright, this is it guys. Just this one thing. Keep getting up, getting out, keep getting up, getting about, getting out there, and keep doing the right thing. Yeah man. And remember the energy. Love and love alone guys. Oh my real. Come on, yeah. Appreciate the support. Later.